So now we're going to clean out the coil in here. There's just a bunch of beer stuck in the coil. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do that. So what we're going to do is normally it's going to look like this from earlier. We're going to just pull the tube off right here. And I just kind of rock it back and forth until it's not really not a big deal. So then we're going to throw the tube into the little pot. Throw the pot in here. Throw the tube in the pot because since we just spent all this time cleaning out the big pot, if we just like empty into this thing, then we don't have to like re-clean the beer that's in the pot afterwards since we did all that work. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn two settings on. We're going to turn on fill the MLT, and we're also going to turn on mash recirculate. So let's do that.
I understand now why it's better if you're sitting.
You can do it through that interface, but we'll do it through here just because it's a little easier. So first thing we'll do is fill MLT on, and you can hear the water turn on. You can actually see it pouring in right there. That's fresh water getting poured into the pot right there. Can you see it? Yep. And then we're going to turn in the recirculate. So normally it would pull out of the bottom right there, and then recirculate back in here and go into the pot, but we're just going to put it into the small black pot and catch everything. That way we just don't have to like rinse the big pot again. It's just an extra step you're avoiding. So then we do mash heat, and there it goes. You'll see, watch this beer come out right here. Grab the refractometers like thing. You're gonna really appreciate this. And take, as soon as this starts coming out right here.
Paper towel. We need a paper towel. Here, we're all right.
Okay, something's wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know where
Is there a dropper?
It's okay. You got put.
Oh, now I'm facing backwards. That's pretty cool. I'm backwards.
Alright, so mash recirculate.
Oh wait, I can't see the
Mash.
Oh, there we go. There's the seats behind me. Okay. There's nobody in them. Yeah. You're the only person. But I missed the VIP.
Do you know what the... Is there a dropper?
Ah, look at that.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, shit.
I'm like, I don't understand. All right, so yeah, take a dropper of that right there. You're gonna be surprised.
We don't have the dropper.
Where's the dropper? You just go up and it's not scary. Yeah.
That's fine. There's liquid in there. Where's the little squeegee drop?
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Did it get put in the kitchen?
Now I'm dizzy because
That's what I do. Seriously.
All right, dropper
Okay.
found.
Dropper found.
So-
Are you filming?
All right,
Yeah,
so
I'm filming again.
Take a little bit of this. Like, you can grab both sides of it. You can leave the refractometer down.
You may
for now.
get inside the tube?
Yeah, it's going to come out of there. So
be
just
careful for the
yeah,
hot-
You don't have to clog it, but it's going to come out. Just try to get a little sample
Oh,
of
okay,
it.
you need to hit it then.
Yeah.
don't get
All
burned.
right, we're going to turn on again mash heat.
Ah! I'm kidding. Oh, shit. Are you alright?
Get a little bit of that. Yeah.
Oh, it's going down though.
Yeah. Well,
Oh,
no,
no,
get
it's
that,
rich.
Get that. Yeah. Okay, you're gonna be surprised. Well,
I'm gonna be
surprised a couple of times.
I've been surprised with nothing fucking time.
We're shocked, as it is.
Okay.
Is that good? Like, just like that?
Let me hold this.
Yeah. And see what it is. What is it?
Oh, it's on the left side. It's just about 15.
15. Yeah. So, yeah, that's 15 bricks or 1.065 OG. That's basically 7% alcohol, 8% alcohol we just poured into here because it was stuck in the coil.
Oh yeah.
And there's it's like probably 3 points of good beer. 3 pints, not points, of good beer stuck in the coil here. So,
Here, please.
But I'm like,
so you can actually recover that. Like when you go to the boil stage, you can do what I've just done here and just get the last little bit out of the coil. But it's only a couple of pints. I didn't want to confuse you. It's not worth it
I appreciate
necessarily.
that.
But
I don't want to be confused.
but yeah, we're fixing the. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we're clearing the. Sorry. Well, we're getting a little bit.
Is it pinched again? It looks pinched again, Rich.
Yeah, right here it looks a little.
yeah, it should just automatically heat
Oh, that's what it
on
is.
the track and left.
Oh, probably because I picked it up. You're right.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah, so it keeps getting pinched. We need to,
Move
Yeah.
the bucket.
yeah, maybe it's like lifted too high. Just have to hold it.
But we want that liquid to start coming out clear. Like you can see it now, right? See how the liquid is coming out clear?
Yeah.
That means that we've really cleared that coil out in there, and that this beer has a lot of sugar in it still, and that would get pretty nasty. There's a couple of little bacteria in there.
Yeah,
There are a couple of little bacteria just about everywhere on Earth. So those couple would replicate into like
Yeah, they'd be
couple
like,
trillion.
they won the lottery. They're like, where did we get
Yeah,
left with no
exactly.
competition?
It's like, oh, is this dark and delicious? I wasn't even talking about the beer. I was talking about like the environment. But
Oh, I
yeah,
thought you were talking about me.
no, it's awesome.
Should I empty this?
Alright.
I feel like that's your second dark and delicious punchline
I'm
tonight.
gonna run it in the shroud.
That is true.
Alright, anything to add here?
No, that's it. I just wanted to show
Okay.
like what was left in the coil.
And then we have to clear the cooling coil as well, right? But that's near
And
later.
we'll do it. It's the exact same thing with the cooling coil, but the cooling coil is a lot smaller, so it only takes a second.
Okay.
And we'll do that after the boil's done.